I have decided to start a YouTube channel. It was not easy and a straightforward decision. People think that YouTube is just like pressing the record button, recording and then uploading, but it is much more than this. You have to think about many things before starting a YouTube channel. So let's talk about those things one by one. The first thing is fear of judgment. When you upload videos on social media platforms, specifically YouTube, people treat you differently. They treat you as you are a different creature, not a human being. And obviously you get trolled a lot, not only by your friends and family members, but to from the people you even don't know, from the people you never met in your real life. They trolled you on social media. So that is one of the biggest reason why I don't wanted to start the YouTube channel. The second reason is English language. English is my third language, so I'm not good at English, so I will make a lot of mistakes. So I used to think that why make videos in English if you can't speak it properly, but the question was same, how I'm going to improve it? Obviously through practice and through speaking a lot, and that's what I'm doing. The third thing is that it is a hard process. As I said earlier, that YouTube is not just recording the video and uploading. It is much more than this. It starts from finding the idea, then scripting the video, then recording and retakes 100 times, and then editing and then upload it. It is easier to say these are the things involved, but it is very hard to do that. Obviously I don't like it, and the question now is, why do it when you don't like it? And the answer is because I like the outcome. And if you like and want the outcome, there are two things that you can do. First is do that thing and feel miserable. Don't enjoy it, feel miserable, angry and frustrated. And the second thing is do that thing and enjoy the process. So I would choose rather the second option. I would do these things and enjoy. And now let's talk about what are the outcomes that I want. The first thing is communication skills. I wanted to express myself in a better way. I wanted to express my ideas in a better way. So if I learn the communication skill, I will be able to do that. And hopefully through this YouTube channel, if I speak a lot, I would be better at communication. The second thing is monetization. It is one of the reason, but not the only reason. There are many other ways to make money apart from YouTube. So it is one of the reason, but not the only reason. The third thing is learning new language. As I said earlier, that if I speak a lot, if I practice a lot, then I will learn English language and I will speak it like a native speaker. The fourth thing is be a better speaker. If I speak a lot on this YouTube channel in front of camera, in front of the online audience, it would be easy for me to speak better in my day-to-day life. The fifth thing is confidence. If I'm able to express my thoughts in front of you confidently or unconfidently, I will build my confidence on the way, and that confidence I will feel it in my day-to-day life. The sixth thing is document my thoughts. It is very important for me. People do it on diary, on journals, but if you do it on videos, it is better way to journal your thoughts and to document your thoughts, and it will help you a lot in your life. If you are expressing your thoughts on the YouTube, then it will give you a structured a roadmap to live your life and how you wanted to live your life. The last thing is challenge myself. I would challenge myself in a different way. I would challenge myself to be more disciplined. I would challenge myself to not to care what others think. I will challenge myself to build something meaningful. And these were the reason why I wanted to start the YouTube channel.